Namaskar friends. This is one more example related to matrix multiplication. Here we have two different matrices. A is 2 minus 3 5 minus 1 4 5 1 minus 3 minus 4. This is a, I can say, 3 by 3 matrix, and B is minus 1 3 5 1 minus 3 5 minus 1 3 and 5, which is a again 3 by 3 matrix. In this example, I want to prove that, or we want to prove that AB is equal to 0. So, if I multiply these two matrices, I am supposed to get a 0 matrix, or you can say null matrix. First, I want to multiply these matrices A into B. I does not require to check whether multiplication is possible or not, because both are 3 by 3 square matrices. So, let us multiply these two matrices. So, first matrix is 2 minus 3 minus 5, second row is minus 1 4 5 1 minus 3 minus 4, and I am going to multiply this with matrix B, which has elements minus 1 3 5 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 3 and 5. So, as usual, we will multiply rows of matrix A with columns of the matrix B. So, how I will multiply? I will select the first row of the matrix A, and one after another I will multiply first row with first, second and third columns of the matrix B. This is a vector multiplication, so 2 will be multiplied with minus 1 and this will give me minus 2. Minus 3 will be multiplied with 1, which will give me minus 3, and minus 5 will be multiplied with minus 1, which will give me plus 5. Then I will multiply first row with this second column, first element with first element, 2 multiplied with 3, 2 3s are 6. Then minus 3 will be multiplied with minus 3 and minus minus plus, so minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 9, and minus 5 will be multiplied with this 3, which will give me minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Now I will multiply first row with this third column, first row and third column. 2 into 5 is 10, minus 3 into minus 5 minus minus plus, and 5 3s are 15, and minus 5 into 5, this will be minus 25. Then I will select the second row and I will multiply this second row with first column, then second column and then third column. So, let me multiply first row with first column first. Minus 1 into minus 1, which is plus 1, then 4 into 1 is 4, then 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Then second row with this second column, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, and 5 into 3, that will be 15. Then I will multiply second row with third column. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5, 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, and 5 into 5 is 25. So, I multiplied this second row also. Now I will select the third row and I will multiply third row with all the columns of matrix B. So, 1 will be multiplied with minus 1, third row and first column. So, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and minus 4 into minus 1 will be plus 4. Now, this third row with this second column, 1 into 3 is 3, minus 3 into minus 3, minus minus plus 9, and minus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, so minus 12. And now third row with third column, 1 into 5 will be 5, minus 3 into minus 5, minus minus plus, 5 3s are 15, then minus 4 into 5, that will be minus 20. Now you can observe that after all these additions as well as subtractions, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 plus 5, that is 0. 6 plus 9 is 15, minus 15, that will be 0. 10 plus 15, 25 minus 25, this will be 0. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 5 will be 0. Minus 3 minus 12 minus 15 and plus 15, that will be 0. Minus 5 minus 20 minus 25 plus 25, that will be also 0. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 4, that is also 0. 3 plus 9 is 12 minus 12, that is also 0. 5 plus 15 is 20 minus 20, that is also 0. And we are observing that this is a null matrix 0, and therefore we proved that multiplication AB is equal to 0. Similarly, in this example, just try by yourself what you will get value of B into A, and write the answer in the comment section of this video, what you are getting. So just try to calculate B into A by matrix multiplication and write your answers in the comments. Thank you very much. Keep watching these videos. Thank you.